Today we're taking a closer look at and showing you how to install the Proving Ground precision molded front and rear floor liners available for your 2019 and newer Ram 2500. Now, the Proving Ground liners that we have here today would be an excellent choice for all Crew Cab HD owners with the factory bucket seats who might be looking for affordable all-out protection for both the front and rear carpets in your ride. Now, the liners will combine a durable thermoplastic build here with very high raised edges and deep channeling, all for right around that $175 price point. So these really are going to be a great option for the work truck or family haulers out there who really want to keep those carpets looking like new, but don't want to drop a ton of dough on the more expensive, maybe bigger brand names that you may encounter here on the site or possibly elsewhere. Now, these are full coverage liners, guys, meaning you are getting protection not just for the floor itself here, but obviously up here on the trans tunnel and even a good bit onto the door jamb there, and even they extend up into the underneath of the pedal area or higher up on the firewall. Now, the liners are held in place here with the factory style anchor points on all mats, both driver, passenger, and even here on your rear liner. And that really is going to hold these things in place along with the quality of fitment. Again, I can't overstate how well these things fit, especially at this price point, and that is thanks largely due to the fact that Proving Ground utilized Ram CAD data to really help design and build these particular liners. But let's dive a little bit deeper here and talk about what you can expect from the Proving Ground options. And your material here again is going to be that OE grade thermoplastic build, which is still very flexible as you guys can see. But what I really like about this particular material is the fact that it has some texture to it. It also has kind of this rubberized feel, which really should help in wet weather grip and maybe prevent any slipping when you're getting into your HD. Now, also talking about here the combination of the deep channeling on all of the liners, as you can see right here, with these really high raised edges in parts. That's gonna help keep the mess on the liner and off of your carpet. Now, if you're new to the land of liners like this, the best part about this, guys, is that when these things do get dirty, whether it's mud, snow, coffee, dirt, you name it, you yank them out, you hose them off, they look like new, and you toss them back in. So again, really convenient, and most importantly, help protect your truck long term. Price point for both the front and rear liners here from Proving Ground will live around 175 bucks, give or take a bit, which does make these slightly more affordable, again, when compared to other options on the site from WeatherTech or Husky, just to name a few. Now, if for whatever reason you only wanted to grab two liners, you don't necessarily need the rear, well, you can also grab those separately here on the site as well and save a few bucks in the process. All right, moving into install, and as you might imagine, guys, probably the easiest installation you'll ever tackle on your HD at home. Very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, maybe 5 minutes of your time to get in place from start to finish, and that's being pretty generous. So regardless, to give you a better idea of how this might go down at home, let's check out our detailed walkthrough.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some floor liners in our Ram, so let's get started. There are no tools required to do this job, and first we're going to remove our factory floor liners. They're held in by these two little retainers at the back. All you need to do is pull up on those and pop them loose. Pull this out, and once you have this side out, you can do the same thing for the other side, and we'll go ahead and remove the rear. So now we can remove our rear liners. On the outside of each of our sections of liner, you're going to find another one of those retainers. You just want to pop that up. And to make this easier, you want to move your front seats all the way forward. It's going to give you enough room to pull these up and pull them out. And once you have this side out, you can do the same thing for the other side. Now we can install our new rear liner. Now this is a one-piece unit, so we're going to slide this all the way through. Get this side semi in line, we'll go over and get the other side set up, and then we'll come back and lock these in place. Now, once you've got your other side in place, you will notice that your liner is going to need to go under your center ventilation system. You're going to have to work that around. I know it's hard to see. You'll need to work that in underneath those vents. And once you have it roughly in place, you can lock it down back on that tab. It has the same style lock. And you'll just need to push it down in place so it settles. Now we can move on and install our front liners. Now for your driver's side one, you want to make sure when you get this in place that it does not go over top of the gas pedal or brake pedal or interferes with the full travel. Make sure you tuck those behind into place. And once again, just lock those back into their locator tabs. You can do the same thing for your passenger side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Proven Ground precision molded front and rear floor liners and black finish for your 19 to current Ram 2500 crew cab with front bucket seats. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.